Hi, I'm Jerry White from White Forest Nursery. Just want to let you know we're open and here for you. There's so many different things that you can do in the garden, that you can do at home in very safe environment, and we have those projects for you. One of my favorite ones is bugs. That's right, ladybugs. They're here now. And with ladybugs, they're nice because you can put them in your garden, your kids, your grandkids, or even you can take a look and watch them work. So ladybugs are always really neat because they're very gentle looking bugs. They don't bite, they don't cause any problems, and they're really good for the garden because they'll clean up many of those insects that are trying to cause you problems. So the thing about ladybugs is you want to let them go at the right time. If you simply open up the can and let them fly away in the middle of the day, they're going to keep on flying. Your neighbors may appreciate it, but they're not going to really stay put and eat the insects in your yard. So what you do is as you get toward dark at dusk, then you can kind of sprinkle them out across the plants where you might have bugs, aphids in particular, and now they're going to start feeding and they'll stay there until those bugs are gone. So you'll have them for a very long time. Another great insect that you can get is the praying mantis. You know, those that has the nice curly arms there. They're really voracious eaters and do an excellent job. But they can also make a wonderful project for you and for your children or your grandchildren. Simply open up the package there, and inside you're going to find an egg case. So no praying mantis here, but what you're going to do is you'll be able to watch them hatch. So you can either leave that egg case in that little plastic case and watch it and look at it each day, or something I like to do is just put that egg case right on a little stick, put it in a nice clear jar, and put the lid on, because if they hatch, they're going to be crawling away. And now we have a project that we can look at several times a day, and they're really fun to watch as they start hopping out. They're really little teeny, very cute insects. Once they hatch, then you do want to put them and sprinkle them in your yard to control those insects. So if you're looking for the great project, come into White Forest Nursery. We have lots and lots of them for you. We are open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. with the exception of Wednesday, which we're closed. So come on into White Forest.